Welcome to this video. In this video, we will solve a surface area and volume problem. Okay, so what's the question? The question says that there is a cone of height 24 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. So the base radius is 6 centimeter. So that's the cone. What is it made of? It is made of modeling clay. So the cone is made of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. So child takes it and makes it into a sphere. Question says find the radius of the sphere. So we need to find the radius of the sphere. So this is a volume problem. As you may expect, the amount of clay doesn't change when you go from cone to sphere. So we'll use the volume formula of the cone and the sphere to find the radius of the sphere. The entire steps are here. The answer is 6 centimeter. We'll go through each one of them and see how to get the answer. Since it's a volume problem, we need to know the volume formula for cone and sphere. What's the volume formula for cone? It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. What's the volume formula for sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So first let's calculate the volume of the cone. So what I have done here is substituted for the value of radius and the height. So we know the radius is 6 centimeter. We know the height is 24 centimeter. I've just substituted the value. We'll leave it as it is for a minute. As I said earlier, the amount of clay, the volume of clay in the form of cone and the sphere remains the same, correct? Since the volume of the clay in the form of the cone and sphere remains the same, we have the volume of the sphere is same as volume of the cone. In other words, what is volume of the sphere? This is the formula for volume of the sphere. And on the right hand side, we have the volume of the cone, which we just found. Now, instead of 6 square, we have 36 here. If you simplify this, what happens? Pi by 3 gets cancelled in both places. And we are left with 36 multiplied by 24 on the right hand side, 4 on the left hand side. When we take 4 to the right hand side, it goes into the denominator. So we divide the whole thing by 4. You simplify this. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Now 24 can be written as 3 times 8. Now 8 happens to be 2 cube. 9 is 3 square, and 3 square multiplied by 3 is 3 cube. In other words, r cube, the radius of the sphere, cube of that, is 3 cube multiplied by 2 cube. Okay? If you take cube root on both sides, we can say that r is 3 times 2. Why? 3 cube, 2 cube, cube root. You get 3 times 2, and you end up with 6 centimeter. So that is the radius. The answer happens to be radius of the sphere is 6 centimeter. So to solve these kind of problems, we need to remember that the volume of the clay doesn't change when you go from one shape to another shape. When you go from cone to sphere, it doesn't change. And then we just use the cone volume formula and sphere volume formula, equate it to each other and find the radius of the sphere. Thanks for watching this video. We'll soon come back to you with a new video, solving a new problem. Till then, bye.